Good morning, grade 4. Today we are going to learn about characteristics of living things. All living things are made up of cell. जो इंसान होते हैं वो सेल से मिलकर बने होते हैं. It is the basic unit of life. ये ज़िंदगी के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. So we have two cells, an animal cell and a plant cell. Here we have animal cell and then plant cell. So let's discuss about animal cell. First we have cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outer covering. ये बाहर वाला हिस्सा जो होता है ये cell membrane होता है. It allow only certain material to move in or out the cell. It also give the shape द सेल इट्स शेप. ये जो है किसी भी चीज़ को बाहर और अंदर आने में मदद करता है और सेल की जो प्रॉपर शेप है उसको मेंटेन करता है. देन वी हैव अ न्यूक्लियस. इट इज़ लाइक द ब्रेन. ऑल द एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ सेल आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय न्यूक्लियस. जितनी भी इसमें एक्टिविटीज़ होंगी वो न्यूक्लियस कंट्रोल करेगा, जस्ट लाइक आवर ब्रेन. देन वी हैव साइटोप्लाज्म. इट इज़ अ जेली लाइक सब्सटेंस दैट फिल द सेल. एक जेली लाइक सब्सटेंस होता है जो सेल के अंदर होता है, और बाकी जितने भी ऑर्गेनेल्स होते हैं, ये अदर पार्ट्स, स्मॉल पार्ट्स, ये जो हैं इसके अंदर फ्लोट कर रहे होते हैं, तैर रहे होते हैं. Then we have vacuole. The function of vacuole is to store food, water and waste substance. So this little one is called vacuole. It store food, water and waste substance. All the storage part is in vacuole. ठीक है. So in animal cell we have different shape from plant cell is different from animal cell. In a plant cell we have extra cell wall. It is made up of tough material called cellulose. So in plant cell, after cell membrane, we have cell wall that support and protect the plant cell. It protect the plant cell. Okay. We also have chloroplast. Chloroplast absorb energy from the sun and help the plant to make its own food. As you all know that plant make their own food, that's why they need chloroplast. They both have cell membrane. They both contain cytoplasm, a nucleus. A plant have large vacuole. As you see, vacuole is very large in plant cell as compared to animal cell. Animal cell have many small vacuoles. Animal cell, there are many small vacuoles. Plant cell also contains cell wall and chloroplast, as we discussed. There is a variety of living things on earth. What does it to be alive? Next we have all living things characteristic. What they need. They need food. They respire. They can move. They have sensitivity. They reproduce. They excrete and they grow. Let's discuss about need of food. We